Stop by and take a look at the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, quad seating, XM satellite radio, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.